If you are interested in knowing the signs that could indicate that you are a person with the potential to be a millionaire and successful, you are in the right place. Below, I will provide you with a list of 10 signs that could indicate that you are a person with skills and characteristics that could lead you to success. Number 1. You are persistent and do not give up easily. To be successful in any field, it is essential to be persistent. Successful people never give up and always look for a solution to the problems that come their way. Persistence also involves having a growth mindset and being willing to learn from failure. 2. You have a great ability to take calculated risks. Successful people know how to choose the moment to take risks, and they know how to be cautious. They make informed, data-driven decisions and analyze the risks and rewards before taking any action. Although taking risks always carries some degree of uncertainty, it is important to be brave enough to make difficult decisions. 3. You are a fast learner and are always looking for new ways to improve. Successful people are self-taught and are constantly looking for new ways to learn and improve. They are open to receiving feedback and use constructive criticism as opportunities to grow. Constant improvement and continuous learning are essential to stay at the forefront of any field. 4. You have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and how to achieve it. Successful people have a clear vision of their long-term goals, and they know exactly what they want to achieve. They have a detailed plan to achieve those goals and are constantly working towards it. It is important to have a clear vision and a solid plan in order to move towards your goals. 5. You have a creative mind, and you think outside the box. Successful people are innovative and think outside the box. They are willing to try new ideas and approaches and are not afraid to experiment with something different. Creativity is essential to find solutions to complex problems and to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. 6. You are an excellent communicator and have exceptional social skills. Successful people know how to communicate effectively and persuasively. They have exceptional social skills and are able to connect with others on a personal and professional level. The ability to communicate clearly and build strong relationships is essential for any successful leader. 7. You are disciplined and have an action-focused mentality. Successful people are disciplined and focused on taking concrete steps to achieve their goals. They have an action-focused mindset and are always looking for ways to move toward their goals. Discipline is essential to stay focused on long-term goals and to overcome obstacles along the way. 8. You are very organized, and you know how to manage your time and resources well. Successful people have a clear agenda and prioritize their tasks based on their importance. The ability to manage time and resources well is essential to stay focused on long-term goals and to be productive in day-to-day management. 9. You are a natural leader, and you know how to inspire and motivate others. Successful people have leadership skills and are able to inspire and motivate others. They are able to convey a clear vision and guide their team to success. They have exceptional communication skills and know how to involve their team in the decision-making process. 10. You have a great sense of responsibility and integrity and are respected by others. Successful people are responsible and have a high sense of integrity. They are honest and transparent in their actions and decisions, which allows them to earn the trust and respect of others. Having integrity and responsibility is essential to building strong and lasting relationships, both in business and in personal life. In conclusion, the signs that could indicate that a person has the potential to be a millionaire and successful are a combination of skills, characteristics, and attitudes that can be developed with time and practice. Mastering these 10 skills are key to leading you to financial and professional success. It's important to note that these skills don't automatically guarantee financial success, but they can help increase your chances of achieving it. In the end, what really matters is working hard, having passion and dedication to what you do, and being willing to take risks and learn from mistakes. So, if you feel identified with some of these signs, do not hesitate to continue working on your skills and your goals to achieve success.